Hello friends, welcome back to the part 3 of the video series showing the structure of adrenal gland. In this third part, I am showing the zona fasciculata of adrenal cortex. The zoomed in part is the next layer of our adrenal cortex, the zona fasciculata, which is situated between the zona glomerulosa and zona reticularis. Cells in this layer are responsible for producing glucocorticoids such as cortisol. The adrenal cortical layer, that is the zona fasciculata, is the largest of the three layers, accounting for nearly 80% of the volume of cortex. In the zona fasciculata, the cells are arranged in columns radially oriented towards the medulla. Now something about the secretion of this layer. The cortisol hormone, which is secreted by this layer, increases the circulating level of glucose. In addition, the cortisol also increases the levels of free fatty acids, which cells can use as an alternative to glucose to obtain energy. Glucocorticoids also suppress the immune system and are a potent anti-inflammatory hormones. In the next video, that is part 4, you will learn about zona reticularis and something about adrenal medulla.